I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of...
So grabe pa ka-busy ang beach. Almost 8 o'clock na, pero ayan, oh my God, pura paghumigas ang mga tao. Lakad-lakad tayo ngayon dito sa Hoek van Holland. Ayan, busy pa rin ang beach. Tama talaga yung naging desisyon namin na natawag doon, mag-dinner muna sa bahay.
a place to go. Sunlight dances
So
through
yan
the
yung aking
window.
asawa sa likod.
Lazy haze fills up the
Ito
room.
yung beach.
Got no plans,
Dito wala
just
masyadong
me
tao.
and
Doon
you.
parang mga
Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me, wrapped up in pink blankets under the sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, I hear the beat, it's in my chest.
so tama talaga yung
Got me
desisyon namin
feeling
na
some kind
mag-dinner
of
muna sa
way.
bahay bago pumunta dito.
I
Kasi pati nga
confess
pag
the rhythm
ng
takes
drinks,
over, no
hirap ka
room
makaupo.
to rest.
buti nag-ice
My
cream lang
heart's
kami.
dancing,
Ngayon
it's
pauwi
a
na rin
love
kami maya-maya.
conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum.
So, uwian na. Ang daming seagulls. Yan, ang cute ng bata. Fashionista si Lola. Yeah. Tapos dito, marami namang tawag doon, nagbebenta ng pagkain. Kaso, napaka-busy talaga. Oh my God. Tingnan niyo. Akala ko, kasi Monday, akala ko hindi ganun ka-busy, pero super busy. Tapos accessible din siya sa public transport kasi may metro talaga siya na bababa ka malapit talaga sa beach. Uwi na tayo ng bahay. Yan, fresh na. Nakaligo na tayo. Kasi napakalagkit talaga. Ganun naman talaga pag galing sa sa beach. Yung tawag doon, maski hindi naligo, malagkit pa din. So, yung tawag doon, sobrang busy niya. Yun nga sabi ng asawa ko, sana hindi daw kami nagpunta kasi nga alam niya lahat ng mga Netherlander or mga bakasyonista talaga magsusok sa sa beach. Sabi ko, kailan tayo pupunta pag malamig, nung hindi tayo makaupo-upo or makapag-enjoy sa So, okay naman, pero yun nga, hindi ang hirap makahanap ng drinks. Hindi nga talaga kami nakaupo kasi punuan yung mga restaurant at wala din kaming reservation. Pero okay na rin yung naging experience namin at mabilis din kaming nakalabas sa parking. So far, maski nagmamaktol yung asawa ko dahil nga yung pag-parking yung pa-parking namin, ang hirap makahanap ng parking. Pero sabi ko, kalma lang kasi kung siya yung may gusto, ako yung nagmamaktol, pero kasi ako yung may gusto kaya ako yung kalmado. So, dito ko na i-end ang vlog kasi tatapusin ko yung yung pinanood ko na movie, yung My Spy. So, tapusin ko siya. So, salamat sa panonood. See you on my next vlog.